Hello students, welcome to all my mentor math class. Maths is a special subject and very scoring subject. And especially for your NDA examination, maths is a very vital subject. But don't so scary about your maths, okay? So if you regular practicing and that practicing more build your confidence regarding your maths, okay students? So let's start the class. Students, today I am going to discuss about your methods for evaluating limits, and that method is your rationalization method. In my previous lecture, I already discussed your factorization method. Now comes to your rationalization method. If the form is given, if the form is represented by px by qx form, px by qx, that is your rationalization form, and you see that any either numerator or denominator contains square root or cubic root, then that time you can use your rationalization method. Okay, so basically whenever you see that numerator or denominator contains square root, so you know in your junior class also you learn that is your rationalization method. You have to cancel your square root using your rationalization method. Same process we can use here. Whenever you see the form is rational form, px by qx form, and you also see that the form is your 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form, that time you have to think that okay, now our job is we have to reject your square root, and that process is your rationalization method. Let us take one example. And for that example you can clear your doubts also. That is limit, let us take x tends to 3 root under 3x plus 7 minus 4 by x minus 3. Okay, you can see like that way. That is your limit x tends to 3 root under 3x plus 7 minus 4 by x minus 3. You have to find that limiting value. You can see now the form is px by qx form. Px by qx form is your rationalization form, and you see that numerator term contains your square root form. So you have to think also your rationalization method. And first of all you have to put here x replaced by 3 and here x replaced by 3, and you got the value 3 into 3 plus 7 minus 4 by 3 minus 3, and you can easily see that 3 3 is a 9 plus 7 16 square root is 4 minus 3 by 3. Obviously this is 0 by 0 form, that means your indeterminate form. Okay, so first of all you have to reject the square root by your rationalization method to come to your solution. So equal to limit x tends to 3, you have to reject your square root. And how you have to reject your square root? If you see numerator contains square root, that means opposite sign you have to multiply root 3x plus 7 plus 4 by root 3x plus 7 plus 4. Okay, so obviously that is the process of rationalization. Okay, so copy please. So now we have limit x tends to 3 root 3x plus 7 minus 4 by x minus 3 into root 3x plus 7 plus 4 by root 3x plus 7 plus 4. Okay, so you can see that is your a minus b into a plus b form, and you know that a minus b into a plus b is your a square minus b square. You know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That means here is a minus b, a plus b, so you can apply a square minus b square form. So root 3x plus 7 whole square minus of 4 square divided by x minus 3 into root 3x plus 7 plus 4, and you find that root is cancelled. So limit x tends to 3x plus 7 minus 16 by x minus 3 root under 3x plus 7 plus 4, and you can take bracket. Okay, so this is equal to limit x tends to 3, so that is 3x, and you can cancel, that is your minus 9 So minus 9 by x minus 3 into, just simplification we have to done. Okay, just simplification, that is your 3x minus 9 x minus 3 into root 3x plus 7 plus 4. Copy please. Now we have limit x tends to 3x minus 9 by x minus 3 into root under 3x plus 7 plus 4. So now you can take common 3 from your numerator. So limit x tends to 3 common, x minus 3 by x minus 3 into root 3x plus 7 plus 4. And you can easily cancel x minus 3, x minus 3. So we have x minus 3, we have x minus 3 by root under 3x plus 7 and plus 4. Now you can substitute easily x by 3. So we have 3 by root under 3 into 3 plus 7 plus 4. And finally you got 3 by 3 is 9 plus 7 is 16 root is 4 plus 4, and you finally got the value is 3 by 8. So that is your final solution, 3 by 8. So this type of problem we have to use your rationalization method. If you see square root is given or cubic root is given, numerator or denominator, we can use this rationalization method and finding your 3 by 8 solution. Okay, so copy this. Next comes to your another problem, that is find limit x tends to 0 2x by root under x plus 1 minus 1. So this is also your rational, that is your fraction form, that is your numerator and denominator, and here denominator contains, that is your square root. And first of all you have to substitute x by 0. So we have 2 into 0 by root under 0 plus 1 minus 1. Obviously this is your 0 by 1, root 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. Obviously this is your 0 by form. 0 by 0 form means undeterminate form. So now you can use your that is your rationalization method, because square root is given here, denominator contains square root, so that we have to use your rationalization method. So we have to reject square root from denominators. Let's come to your solution. Limit x tends to 0 2x by root under x plus 1 minus 1 into this under, it is your minus sign, same plus sign, opposite sign you have to multiply, root x plus 1 plus 1, same is your x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is your rationalization form. Now comes to your, that is formula, this is your a minus b into a plus b. Obviously you know that the form, that is s square minus b square. So you got the value root under x plus 1 whole square minus 1 square, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, that is your 2x root x plus 1 bracket root it cancel, x plus 1 square is minus 1. So that plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Finally you got the value x tends to 0 2x into root x plus 1 by x. And you can easily cancel also xx. So finally you have limit x tends to 0 root 2 into root x plus 1 bracket. Okay, just simplification. Very easy way you can find that limit x tends to 0 2 into x plus 1. Finally you have, now copy this. Okay, so now we have limit x tends to 0 2 into root x plus 1. So you can easily substitute x by 0, so that 2 into root 0 plus 1. So you got root 1 is 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is your 4. That is your solution in that problem. So in that way we can finding this limiting value. If you see the fraction form contains any square root or cubic root, you can apply this your rationalization method for finding the limits. And if you see the 0 by 0 form, that is your undeterminate form, and that case you can use your rationalization process. Okay, so copy please, and next class again we will discuss. See you, bye bye, take care.